In Python coding, we will try to write a function. So the syntax to write a function is, you give def, after that you can give any name you want, start with open braces, close it and put a colon. So whatever you write inside this line, from line number 5 to 8 is the function. So you can call this function from outside. So this is like a main, from main you can call. So this is the basic outline syntax. With this we will try to write a program. So we already wrote a function for finding the divisibility. If you see, this is the program. So we already wrote this. If you see, it is 51 lines. So we have just repeated this many times. So instead of repeating, we can write the same, rewrite the same function with the we can rewrite the same using a function. So see, the code is now reduced to 14 lines. So you can imagine how much we have optimized the code. So we'll start. This program is to find if the number is divisible. So for that, what I am going to do is, see, this is a for loop. So in previous video we saw about for loop. If you are not aware of for loop, you can see that. So this is for index in range, starting range to ending range. So starting range, it will start from n, that is 1 here, 11 means before 11 until 10 this loop will be iterated. So what will be the index here? Index will be 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 10. So this index we are taking, this number we are getting as an input. Enter the number to test the divisibility with the numbers. So that number I am getting and I am passing this index. So first time it will be the number comma 1. So I will just highlight how it will be. The first time when you call, it will be for example, you are passing 9 comma 1. Second time it will be 9 comma 2. Like that it will keep passing up to 9 comma 10. So this is how the loop will be iterated. So now we saw loop to iterate, and now we will see the function, what it happens. So the number we are passing and the number to be divided we are passing here. So this is a very easy logic. Just if you divide the number and if you get 0, then the number is divisible. That's it. So you pass the number here, find the mod of the second number. If it is equal to 0, then it is divisible. If not, it is not divisible. We can go to the old program. See, exactly the same thing we have done, but manually each and every time we are passing this number 1, 2, 3. So this 1, 2, 3, 4 up to 9, here we have optimized by calling a for loop. This number we have optimized by calling using a function. So both combined together we have written a function. Now we will try to see the output. So all these environment settings, if you are not aware, you can see in the description and follow the process. So I am sending a number. First I will give 80. We will just check. So it is taking 80. It is divisible by 1, 2, 3 it is not divisible, right? 4 it is divisible, 5 it is divisible, 6 not divisible. So like that. So if you want to increase it, you can increase. For example, you want up to 12. So I am just changing this. Save it and start running. So 11. See, 99 is divisible by 11, right? So you will get the output up to 11. So if you don't have a laptop to try, you can even try using this editor in a mobile. I am just pasting the output here. We'll check. Run it. So I am passing 7. So it is only divisible by 7. We can decide will be repeated. How many times you want to call, that much time it will be repeated. Here I am giving within the for loop. So 12 times this function will be repeated. Instead of writing 12 times, you are just calling one time and you are executing it 12 times. That is the advantage of using function. Thank you.